In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a web page in Google Chrome on your desktop. This process is straightforward and can make your life a little bit easier, whether you're trying to print an article for offline reading, a receipt, or any other web-based document. So, let's dive right in and guide you through these simple steps. To begin, you'll want to have your web page open in Google Chrome that you wish to print. Once you've got that set, the first thing you'll do is press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This shortcut is a quick and easy way to open up the print dialog box, which is where you'll be handling most of the printing options. This little trick can save you a bit of time, bypassing the need to dig through menus and tabs. Now that you have the print dialog open, you'll see several options in front of you. The very first choice you'll need to make is which printer to use. If you have multiple printers installed, click on the printer drop-down menu and choose the one you want to send the print job to. However, if you're looking to save the page digitally instead of printing it, you'll want to select the option labeled Save as PDF. This choice allows you to create a digital copy of the page, which can then be saved to your computer for easy access later on. After selecting your printer or choosing to save the page as a PDF, it's time to move on to adjusting the print settings to fit your needs. Google Chrome offers several customizable settings. You can choose the pages you need to print if the document is more than one page long, such as just the first page, a range of pages, or the entire document. There's also an option to adjust the layout, switching between portrait and landscape to best fit your content. Additionally, you might want to change the color settings, deciding whether to print in black and white to save ink or in color for more vibrant documents. Lastly, take a look at the margins. Sometimes reducing or enlarging the margins can mean the difference between a neat, well-contained print and one that looks a little off. Once you've settled on all the options, it's time to finalize everything. If you're printing, just click on the print button, and if you've opted to save it instead, hit Save. Your job is done. You should either hear your printer start up shortly or see a new file save on your desktop or your chosen folder. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to print a web page in Google Chrome on your desktop. Whether you're printing physical copies or saving stuff for later, these steps should make the process hassle-free and efficient. Thanks for watching and happy printing.